Ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chodoro was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the President and I.
Nunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the President's statements were in Hong Kong.
Yun ang sabi
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
May isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am.
Rumor lang yun?
Sa ginanap na Senate hearing ng Committee on Foreign Relations na pinangunahan ni Senator Amy Marcos, binawi ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla ang nauna nitong pahayag na ang pag-aresto at pagdadala kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa dahig sa The Netherlands ay bahagi ng plano ng core group na kinabibilangan niya kasama sina Department of National Defense Secretary Gibo Chodoro, National Security Advisor Eduardo Año at President Bongbong Marcos Jr. Sabi ni Remulla, wala raw group effort at hindi raw ito pinlano ng gobyerno. Wala rin di umano siyang nalalaman tungkol sa arrest warrant ng ICC laban kay former President Duterte at ang napag-usapan lamang daw nila sa Malacanang ay ang naging pahayag ng dating Pangulo sa Hong Kong. Giit ni Senator Amy Marcos, mismong sa bibig ni Secretary John Vic Remulla nagmula na sila ang nasa likod ng ginawang pag-aresto sa dating Pangulo at hindi rin makapaniwala ang senadora na ang nangyaring meeting sa Malacanang ay upang pag-usapan lamang ang chismis na may warrant of arrest si former President Duterte.
Sa kabila nito, nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo.
I would like
Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please. You're recognized.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the President and the ones I mentioned. There were...
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo? Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
Ma'am, we're already invoking executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.